So I made a cake out of protein powder. If you're a peanut butter lover, you're gonna fucking love this. It was so good and moist. All I used was the PB and Fit powder, peanut butter powder, the zero sugar Hershey, 1 egg, baking powder, and also some honey and butter. And this thing was so motherfucking good, I had to let my man try it. And this is like a 20 out of 10. Like, I would literally eat this all the fucking time. It was so good. But yeah, he tried it and it was good. And I will show y'all how to make it. Hey, you finna get an ass whooping.
I like it.
You like it? I made it out of that protein powder. Yeah. Look at him clapping. Yay. Yay. He wants some. He said, give me some. Talking about, come on, mommy give you some. Oh, he finna eat the crumbs. Mommy give you some, dude.